Enter Kembla. Right there, backed up to this generator over in the corner, and all the other campers are all up there. I can hear them working on the track. The Jenny to keep us warm. This bucket, stay tuned for what this bucket's all about. Jackknife the trailer, get bikes off, and then we'll set up home.
Motorbike riding tomorrow.
Yay, motorbike racing tomorrow.
Racing riding.
Lucky they're only little bikes, so they're nice and light. Look, we've got our own dinner table tonight. Wonder how all the Forbies and buggies are doing up at Molong.
Can't be having as much fun as we are.
No way, no way.
I want to know what's in the bucket.
Oh, you'll find out tomorrow. So being here a day early, we get to walk the track and help pick up all the rocks.
Nicholas always finds them somehow with his front wheel.
Yeah, I know. We got to stop him finding them with his front wheel. What are you doing, Nicholas? Oh, big climb, steep, loose. Yeah, no traction there. Not at that speed. You cannot crawl. See, Uncle Phil would say, learn to crawl, but you need momentum. Drive it like bullet. Oh, now you're in a pickle. Where'd you back off for? Nice drive, son. Yes. You're a bullet driver in the making. Well done.
About the mystery bucket. Now, what's in that bucket?
I'll show you tomorrow. We're done. This is home.
What's in the bucket?
Tomorrow.
Hey, Dad.
Yes.
What's in the bucket?
Temperamental fridge.
Dad, what's in the bucket?
Fridge problems. Is it good now?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, you got it going. All right. So that wire needs replacing. It's starting to cool down quite rapidly, and it was the night before. The sprinklers are on, wetting the tracks. About to get the generator pumping too. So we'll see how wet that track is when the kids do their practice, their 10 minutes practice in the morning. She's a big track. You can turn the heater on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, a bit of action of the 79 on portals. Where are we going? Check out that flex. Nearly as good as new bullet. You're not going up that. You're kidding me.
I am.
There you are. I beg to differ. Whoa! This is a good test of how good we got the body as far as weight goes. What? This is steep, ladies and gents. Real steep. So you're getting to a point now where it's just too steep. You've got wheel speed, I suppose. Yeah, she's a lot heavier than what she was, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, the sprinklers are back on the track. Oh, they are really loose, aren't they? The big tumbled hat waiting to happen into the crevice there. This is like URC. Oh, look at that. Nice. Drive, come down that, yeah. Oh, tumble wumble, crack. Steep country here. All right, here's a little bit of a flat section, an easy section.
The
So
rock is
loose.
so loose.
Hey!
Speed always makes
Oh, body damage.
it. It wasn't really precise.
You know what? I just heard the generator kick down a couple of RPM. It's got to the temperature it needs to be. Just back at camp now and getting dinner sorted. But look how nice Shelley's made the inside of the van. That's our bed. The kids' bunks are sorted. I've got the spaghetti on the boil. And then we've got a special recipe of meatballs to throw in. What a treat. Looking down at the city of Wollongong.
Hey, Dad,
Now,
what's in the bucket?
oh, spaghetti bolognese. Look at this.
The bucket's over there.
Huh?
The bucket's over. Oh no, actually it's here.
Oh, that's for tomorrow. I keep telling you, for tomorrow. Carbs before the big race, and you know what? They're inside the caravan right now watching Crocodile Dundee, of all movies. A very iconic Australian awesome movie. I enjoyed it as a kid too.
Fresh meat. He wasn't trying to eat me on the spot.
Yummo.
Dad. Dad. What's in the bucket?
Come on, we've got to get dinner ready.
What's in the bucket?
Tomorrow. Look, yummo. Let's eat.
What's in the bucket?
Nothing's in the bucket.
Hey, Dad. What's in the bucket? Oh. What's in the bucket?
Oh, I'm so full. That was such a good dinner. Tomorrow.
Spin attack. What's in the bucket?
So, what's in the bucket? Tomorrow. It's race day. So these are the bikes that represent our group from our mini bike club. And it's a fun group. The boys and girls really get along well. So nice to see.
What's in the bucket?
Go away. The 65cc group's been called out for its practice session. So we get to find out what's in the bucket. Water.
Yeah.
What else would be in a bucket? The surprise, I picked up one of these. A pressure washer, so we can wash the bikes
We can do this.
each round. Oh, how good's that? We can get all the water, all the mud off the brakes now. That's cool. Last round we were using a stick, weren't we?
You had a little smudge scraper.
I have to mention Dave here from NMT Shipping, who lent us his gurney on the last day out at Oakdale. Thanks, mate. And if the battery goes flat, we got the Jenny to charge it back up again. It was actually a weaker bargain. I picked up some cool old HQ jelly bean wheels for the bike trailer and a couple of doors for bullet truck. A call in to the boys at CarTech Tyre and Auto to fit me up a set of tyres on the HQ wheels. And look what they had in stock. A nice big shoe as well. Now the last couple of doors I fitted on Bullet, I actually painted the top part of the door black. A lot of people had commented on how good it looked. So while I had a spare couple of hours one morning, it was time to get these going and keep that tradition up. We're using the Dulux Duramax in gloss black. Come back in a couple of hours for a light sand, hit it with a second coat. And then before I put them away in storage, thought I'd give them a buff. Voila, finished product. Back to Kembla. How good is it?
Amazing.
It's awesome.
You can feel it through the boot.
So it pumped out about 30 litres of water. We washed both bikes and we'll put it on charge now. And it'll be ready for when they come in from race one. Kids are lining up for race one. Kids did awesome in their first race. Really proud of you guys. Nice. Now, what's in the bucket? Easy enough, Mum does it. I'll get on to bacon and eggs. Good race, mate.
Thanks.
What do you got in there? Shocking milk. Bacon and eggs.
That one's mine.
Is it? Is
Yes.
it because it's darkest? I'm going to flip
Yes.
them for a few seconds. And then we'll pop them straight into a...
Hey, Bruffle.
burger.
Yeah, don't flip it.
Yo!
Why
Perfect!
don't flip
That's
it?
perfect! So the second race, unfortunately, Nicholas got stuck in the gate. But he didn't lose too much time on the group in front of him because this was the first corner. What a mess. But you know, even the bigger bikes had dramas around here. There seemed to be only one line, that inside line, that got you free, but you had to be there first. Here, Nicholas has Amelia in his sight and passes her. Gotta hit this hard, mate. Hold the bike. Woo! Go, Millie. Unfortunately, his crash here gives him a D.N.F for race 2. Amelia rode well and consistent and came out of the second race unscathed and up there in her class. Last race of the day, and look at this, looking into that afternoon sun. First corner dramas again, and unfortunately my two were right at the back. He really did struggle to get hold of that bike and get it upright again for a while, so he lost a lot of time. It was a great day here at Kembla. Big congratulations to Millie, picking up third place in her class. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.
Well done.